Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, we want to test out print on demand. So if you don't know what is print on demand means you are selling t-shirts, you are selling hoodies, you are selling mugs, but you don't actually source those inventory. You are selling the mug-up. And when someone buy from you, your system will automatically connect with those printing companies. So they will print it for you, they will ship for you. So this was a great idea to start a business without much in risk because you don't need inventory. All you need to do is list your product on the internet, right? So I used to do that for a long time. I was a t-shirt seller on Teespring, and I make more than 10,000 using Teespring. So why I stopped doing that? Because the Facebook ads become really expensive, and there's reason why I don't think that's a valid business model anymore. But recently I heard someone say, hey, you can just list the product on Etsy for sale. So they say that it's a really profitable business model. I'm not sure if that's some kind of like way to sell their Etsy course or not, but I want to test it out. So in this video, we want to test out the Etsy plus print on demand together, and we want to figure out if that's a really profitable business model, right? So let's go. Hey, so after doing some market research, I found there are two platforms which can help me sell print on demand on Etsy, right? So the first one is Slinkly, and another one is Gearbubble. So on Gearbubble, you have to pay a monthly fee, while on Slinkly, you can pay a one-time price. Because I prefer to pay a one-time fee, so I will choose Slinkly, right? So, but if you want to do that, you can choose Gearbubble as well, right? So there are two options for you. So I will choose Slinkly, and we will test out this business model. So right now we are at like Slinkly's back office. As you can see, right now you can get access to their design. You can get access to their printing catalog or their jewelry catalog, right? So there are many things you can sell. You can sell t-shirt, you can sell hoodies, you can sell bags, right? So and it's really easy to use, right? So I finished my integration. So all you need to do is you go find the product you want to sell. Maybe you want to sell maybe a long sleeve, right? So then you go to long sleeve, then you can basically click on the link. Then you just choose your store, maybe your Etsy store. Then you can just click upload a draft or upload live, right? So if you click on upload live, then you have to pay the Etsy basically listing fee, right? So we upload as a draft first, right? Hey, so right now we are still listing those designs, but there's one thing that bothers me a lot. There's no feature for me to bulk upload those designs, which means I have to do that manually, one design at a time. So it's really time-consuming process, right? So you have to click on the store, then you want to choose the store you want to upload to, right? And then you want to click on the upload button, right? So it's really time-consuming, especially you have a lot of design to go through, right? So the good part of that is they actually offer you many designs here, so you don't have to hire designers, and you can actually upload your own design as well, right? So that's a good part of that. But the category isn't much, right? So you can sell maybe t-shirt, but hoodies. But we know that many people are doing that at the same time. So it's really competitive market. I'm not sure if we can make it work. So I will try to list some hoodies as well, because we know the profit margin of hoodie is much higher. So we will try to do that, right? I just finished uploading those designs. So as you can see, there's a lot, right? We have more than 200 designs here. We will try to run some ads as well, because under Etsy you can actually run some ads, right? So we will try to run some ads. We will try to optimize the title so we can get the most exposure as possible, right? So we will run the ad for a few days, then we will check it out together.
Several days later.
Hey, today's the day. Today we want to check together if print on demand is still a profitable business model, right? So we want to see the result together, see how much sales we made and how much money we made, right? So let's go to our state first. Oh, so as you can see, yeah, we made 3 sales in the past 7 days. So it's great, right? But the conversion rate is a little bit low. So I'm kind of worried if we are losing money at this time. So we will go to the exit ad and see if we actually make any money. So here's the results. So as you can see, we got many ad click views. So that's good thing though, because which means there's a lot of users on this platform, and we got like around 300 clicks. It's okay though, because we don't want people who don't want to buy to click on our ad. We only want buyers to click on our ad. So we don't care about this number much. We also can see the click-through rate is not too high, but it's okay for us because we only want targeted buyer to click on our ad. But the conversion rate is not ideal. It's around 1%, as you can see, because we only make 3 orders, right? So right now we spent like 117 on the ad, which means we are actually losing money on ads because our profit margin is around 50%. So we are losing around $50 to $60 on ads. So when you are losing money on ad, the best thing you can do is you go to check the report. Then you want to optimize the ad. But guess what? Yeah, surprise, surprise, there's no such thing as report. I don't know why they are doing that, but yeah, they have report for organic traffic, but they don't have one for paid ads. So all you can know is what product they are buying, but you don't know what keyword they are searching for, and you don't know what's their demographic and geographic data, right? And the targeting feature is really bad, right? So you can target based on which product you want to run ad to, but yeah, you cannot target your audience based on their geographic or demographic, which means it's really hard for you to optimize your ad because you cannot do many things that, right? So if you go to Lixi, you can see that already lots of people are selling print-on-demand products, and they're selling sometimes for a much lower price. So I would say that it's really hard to make a print-on-demand work on Lixi unless you have a really special, unique product or you have a really great design. So otherwise, I think it's really hard to make it work, right? So you can try to do that yourself. Maybe because I suck at Lixi, maybe because I suck at print-on-demand. But I would say that if you really want to run the business, especially you don't want to risk too much, I would say the best thing you can do is creating your own digital product. So I have some resource below the video. You can check a link below the video and you can learn more about how to create your own digital products. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next one.